Hello and welcome. In today's class, we'll see how we can use AppInventor to develop mobile applications. AppInventor is a free software and it runs within the web browser. It is developed in MIT. So let's start. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and you need to type the URL appinventor.mit.edu. And this page opens up, and here you will find a button, Create Apps. So click on Create Apps, sign in using your Google account, and they have some tutorials, but we will start with a blank project. We give a project name, let's say First App, and click on OK. Now you'll see that a mobile screen appears, and here we can design our app's interface. We can insert buttons, text boxes, and so on. So this view is known as the designer view. And the view where you do the coding, that's known as the blocks view. So this is the blocks view. And this is the designer view. Now what we'll do, we will look for the layout category here, the layout tab. Select this layout tab, and we will choose horizontal arrangement. Just drag it and place it on the screen like this. Now this layout is used to arrange the controls horizontally on the screen, whatever controls you are adding to your mobile screen, to your interface. Now we will be adding two buttons, and we will get these buttons from the user interface tab. One button we will place inside the horizontal arrangement and one button outside. And now we will set the properties for these two buttons. First of all, for button 1, the properties can be seen over here on the right side. When you select button 1, all its properties are visible here. So we'll change the background color. We'll change it to red. Then the font will be bold. Font size, we make it 20. Shape, rounded. Now the text, click me. Text alignment, center. This is okay. And text color will be black. Let's also give some properties to the second button. Here also, the color will be red. Font bold will be selected here. Font italic will also be selected. Font size 20. Height will be fill parent. So its parent is screen 1. That means it is taking the height, whatever height from here till the end it can take, because we have selected fill parent. Similarly, the width, fill parent, okay. So it's also taking the height of its parent. Text will be empty. Text color will be blue and text alignment will be center. So this is okay. Now we will go to the blocks view. Here we want to write the code for button 1, so we select button 1 and all the blocks possible for this button are visible here. So we will use this one when button 1 click, do something. This is what this block means. Now also select button 2. We will first of all select this one, set button to background color. Next, set button to text to, then text color, and finally font size. Now in the built-in categories, choose colors and let's choose green for the background. Now go to text category and choose a text and write down the text. Congratulations, you created your first app. Then again we go to color, choose the red one here, and font size. So if you go to math, take this value and set it to 28. Let's go to the designer view again. We have two buttons. When this first button is clicked, we will see some changes in the second button. That's what will happen. So this is just a simple app that doesn't do much, but it helps us understand how this software actually works. And our program is ready. All we need to do now is select build, the build menu, and choose Android app. As you can see, our software is being built. So as you can see, we have the option to download the app also. And we can also scan this QR code and download the app directly into our phone. So let's click on download APK now. And you can see that our first app has been downloaded. If you copy this file into your mobile phone, you can install it in your phone and use it and try it. That's all in this class. I hope you have understood how to build apps and how AppInventor works. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next class.